Now, create a file omit.html and start the code. The H1 This is the highest level heading and represents the main heading or title of a page. Search engines typically give more weight to the text within H1 tags when indexing a page. A H2 This tag is used for secondary headings. It is typically used to divide the content of a page into sections, with each section containing subsections or related content. A H2 headings are usually placed below or H1 headings and are larger and more prominent than lower-level headings. A H3 Similar to a H2, the H3 tags are used for subsection headings within H2 sections. They are smaller and less prominent than H2 headings and are often used to further divide content within a section. H4E, H5E, H6 These tags are used for increasingly lower levels of headings. They are typically used for subsections or other minor divisions within content. The H4 is less prominent than H3, the H5 is less prominent than H4, and so on.